It's Ivy.
It's Ivy.
Hi, it's Ivy.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, the nights are long. Right now, Ivy's in with mom. I just got a little nap. Remember I told you that she gives me this morning segment so I can get back a little sleep. But Lord, she's a nice girl. Yeah, just woke up and taking it all in, getting a little peace and quiet before it all starts again. Oh, this hairstyle? Glad you asked. It's called The Nights Are Long, but the years are short. Oh, look at these two. Hi, my girls. She's just getting bigger and bigger and sweeter and sweeter.
She sure is.
Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome. You got a little sleep?
I sure did.
Good. Yeah. Soon time, you know that.
My time will come. So, Momo you're making real coconut milk for it, Maureen? Yeah. Oh my God. This is amazing. All right, I'm going to give you a clue. What do you think Momo is making? Leave it in the comments. The master has been at work. I'm going to show you something that Momo has been working on. 2 days now you're working on it, Momo?
Yes.
Let me show you her special project. This has been Momo's special project for the last 2 days. And today we're going to go to the plant store to get some more plants. But she has worked the soil, put in her plants. We call it Momo's garden. I want to get a little sign that says Momo's garden. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And let me tell you, she just loves it. She was out there all day yesterday and the day before. Beautiful. What is going on here?
My turn.
Poor Ivy can't sleep in peace. Wow. Guys, take it easy, look now. Gee. Of course, we've been getting we've been getting such beautiful balloons. Of course, the children pop off all the rest, but look at this one. Oh, I love this one. Welcome, baby Ivy. That was from our Toyota fam. Yes. Good job. Shh. All right. Let's take it down a notch. Okay? Obviously, can't keep them quiet, but I do try to keep them down a bit. What's up? Not yet. You see, you take them off the video games and they play, but then they play and you're like, shh. Such a double-edged sword.
Good morning. Hi, Nana. How was the baby girl?
Good.
How's she doing now?
Growing now.
Okay.
Getting ready for
Yeah.
feeding.
Who can sleep in all of this craziness,
She
right?
will learn.
She will learn, exactly. Good morning. Hi, Momo. Where you going with it now?
What I'm doing? Tell me what I'm doing.
Oh, the potato pudding?
Lord, you have to talk about it, man.
And then I use some for guess. Remember, I said from weekend, from buy the little potato, you say, you want to go sort out some pudding. When I did them.
This look like a lot. You have to go give MTM them some of the pudding.
So you should have to go walk and give us some to our cousin then. That sounds like a plan. Sunday morning, Buzzy in the Mitchell house. Is a good look.
Ivy,
So Daddy can calm her down.
Ivy.
Yo, Daddy can calm her down, people.
Slippers on.
Alright, okay. See that routine, people? Alright, so parent tip. Whenever you see the babies rooting like that, them want something. Them want some foodie, right?
Give me my little munchie. Hi, mommy. Hi. Oh my god, you not haven't bathed her yet? I'm not quick to bathe babies. But she's gonna get a bath today.
Yeah, her skin's stripping now.
It is, but you know, it's them don't need to have bathe. This is sister. Oh, she's hungry. Let's get her fed.
Daddy, I'm touching him.
You're touching her?
Yeah.
It reached me all the while, people. Hear me now, I'm hungry? Cause you know, I think it's gonna take about a month or two for me to finally get used to the pronouns. A pronouns you call her something that Tami? Yeah. Look how everybody is swarming around them little baby sister.
They're like when you drop breadcrumbs around pigeons.
Man,
We're going to swim in the
everybody buzzing over them little and gushing over them little baby sister. Eh? It's a lovely sight though, man. Yesterday they were saying anybody touch my sister, beat him up. I'm gonna beat them up, and I was like them say it as joking, and them never know said that is gonna resonate and stay with them forever. That feeling, that protective, that protection, protector. Yeah. Trust me, it's crazy. What a joy it is. But she's been so good, guys. She's been so good.
We are getting in our rhythm, which is
like every 3 hours is our thing.
Every 3 or 4 hours, which is right on target.
Yeah.
But the way that it is, it means that Wayne takes the early shift, like the 11, 12, or the 12, 1 o'clock. Then I do the 4 o'clock, and then Nana does the 6 o'clock.
Murder. It's like a relay. Used to do. Bad, bro, bad.
Let's see how they're doing. Wow. More. I never see bacon in a mixing dish yet. See there?
Of course.
Country style that. This look good. This look really good. I wish you guys could smell it. Really good.
Baking I going in a new kitchen.
Man.
Are you first baker for the kitchen?
Yep.
Jeez, sure it turn out good enough.
I try a thing.
Smell good though.
I try a thing.
Take this.
I see it already, I did.
Pie.
Sweet.
Pie. I was ball out in like as when you leaving.
When I left?
Ball out in like.
Oh man.
Ball out him, yeah, he's right.
Yeah.
It's true?
And I feel like I haven't moved from him full of
big
drama.
Full of drama star. Oh, Boozy doing?
Full of tears.
Boozy is okay, spending more time awake, which is nice.
Boozy okay.
This is the outfit that I bought Zaya, her first outfit I ever bought her, and her cousin's wearing it. Let's say, excuse me, mommy.
Excuse me.
I'm troubling.
Why the food so soft?
Mommy, feel that.
Sweet.
One.
Pull it up though, man.
Yeah, she's spending more time awake, which is so nice.
Yeah, mommy, Ivy, mommy. Mommy. Hi, Zai. Hi, Zaya. Hi, CD. How you doing? Come, give me a touch here, sir. Yeah. Can I get a kiss? Can I get a kiss, please? Thank you. Oh. Mwah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You might be thinking this is my first trip out, but it isn't. Actually, I soon throw back to some footage of me driving out for the first time yesterday.
Yeah,
Yeah, and I wanted to also show you guys Ivy meeting Zaya, or Zaya meeting Ivy for the first time ever, which was really lovely. We are taking these guys out to the supermarket with us. Nana and Momo and Grandma are home. So Mommy is sitting in feeding Ivy. She's having one of those days where she's cluster feeding. So it's just food after food. Breast and bottle and breast and bottle and more. I will say for me personally, it's always good for me to, you know, come out the house a little bit. So we're going to the supermarket. We don't have anything for dinner. We have dessert. Momo's, as you can see, baking up a storm, but we're gonna go figure out some dinner. A beer trouble them give you. So them favorite angel around there. My God, we broke up 1,000 fights today. It's rough, trust me. But
Tessie performed last night
Rum
on Rum Festival.
I got to get my freight truck.
You going to get your fire truck? Okay.
They're on their way back in now.
Zaya came to spend the day with us yesterday and some other day today. So yesterday, I hit the road and then Zai meets I know. Hi guys. Well, I'm going for my first drive out today, as in me driving. Yesterday, Wayne took me to Fontana. So, I have a couple stuff to pick up at Mail Pack. So I'm literally gonna go do that now, but this is the first day I'm actually driving and I'm feeling good, I'm feeling strong, and I just did the whole morning shift, the feedings, the changings, the thisins, the thatins, and now she's with daddy, she's napping, the boys are with daddy, and Nana is getting Zaya to bring her over. Tessie pulled Zaya from school too, so that we could all be in this little bubble. So that's really nice. Family is everything, guys. Anyway, heading on the road very quickly, and I just thought I'd pop in and say hi. A little baby, come and see, look.
Little baby.
Yes. Wow. This is a little baby. Her name is Ivy.
It's Ivy.
It's Ivy.
Hi, little Ivy.
Hi, little Ivy. That's your cousin Ivy. This is Zaya. Whenever you hear me calling you Zaya,
Baby shark.
baby shark. But it's a baby Ivy. Give her a kiss. Zaya, you want to give her a little kiss on her head? Right here.
Kiss
give her a little kiss. Oh. So Zaya meeting Ivy.
I love it when all the children are around. It's a vibe.
The baby wants to eat.
The baby wants to eat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The baby wants to eat.
Oh, the baby wants to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy, the baby wants to eat.
Okay, Boozy. Cool.
Back in that newborn life.
Where's the ones?
You take a little spoon, but it's shut.
Where's the going with it? You tried it?
So, no, you have to taste it. Missy said, Nana, go in there. But Alex, I tell me, say, I'm going there too. So, no, when I feel bad, I go in there.
Where's the Momo, your
Look at
bingo?
this. I mean, look at this. Wayne, all it wants is a scoop of ice cream. I tell you, because she don't make it too sweet, you know.
Okay.
Try it. Oh.
It didn't go enough. But Momo, you're bad man.
She bad and she don't have no recipe, you know. She just turn her hand, she know what it need, she XYZ. Very good. That's how you know I really like a baker.
But
Daddy, give me one more snack.
you just had a Doritos, you had sweetie before that. Bro, it's dinner next, virgin. Where you need for warm out, you know. Dinner is being cooked right now.
I'm not having dinner. I'm having melty cheese and tortilla chips then.
No bother with that.
That's really healthy for you. I'm not eating it.
But when your dream come true, you remember how you said you were going to sit there and watch your TV and hold her? Oh. So how she wrap up about the leg out?
No, because I leg up.
Breeze out?
Yeah, I leg up a breeze out.
Oh.
Yeah, over.
Who's your favorite girl?
My favorite girl.
Oh. I'm gonna need like an ice cream for go with the super things separately. I just want to put it out there. Coconut. Coconut. Mommy said roman raisin for her. But it's coconut for me.
Hey, one thing, you know, you see from me over 50. Roman raisin.
Oh, and fruit
grape
basket.
nut, fruit basket, Devon stout. From me over 50. No cap.
Guys, I'm actually making Sunday lunch. I'm doing roast chicken, roast potatoes, roasted garlic. Momo's making some rice. Should I do some broccoli too?
You can keep the broccoli for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. It feels so nice to be back in the kitchen, cooking a little, and now I'm feeding in between. We're in heaven, guys, honestly.
In tired heaven.
Tired heaven, but
Yeah.
she's a good girl.
She
She's
is.
a good baby.
She is.
So give thanks.
Yeah.
I keep telling everybody, all of your prayers landed. And we're so grateful. Believe me. I went to the supermarket today and every other person was saying, how is the baby? Congratulations. Like, you're a team, guys.
It's true.
So thank you.
We appreciate you guys.